Hello everybody, just want to talk about this 3D print that I found on Thingiverse the other day on the internet, and it goes to my Oculus Quest 2. If you play games on the Oculus Quest, you notice there's a lot of shooting games, and what I found was this one 3D print that actually was two pieces that come together with magnets. And what I did is printed it out, and it's pretty neat because this actually works for some of the games that I have. Not every game works. Some of them are, the hand controls are a little wonky or off center or something, so it doesn't always work, but for the games that it does work for, it's pretty cool. It's badass. I use the Quest for work and everything else, but also I've started playing games on it and started sucking me into that VR world of gaming and everything else that it provides. But what I like about this, there's a lot of prints online, and most of them are one main model that you had and you couldn't break it apart. I don't know how that would work. You could probably connect it and play the game and have to disconnect it, but this actually works because a lot of the games that you play, you have to reload. So if you're trying to reload with the long thing, you pull it out of the probably whatever 3D print you did, but this one seems to have thought it out really well. The only drawback that I did find is that I had to break off the top piece to this because I probably could have sanded it more, but for whatever reason, I guess it was too snug or too tight in there, and I just broke it off. It didn't matter. This could have saved an extra, maybe an hour of printing. Is about 8 hours total each piece. They seem to work out pretty good. I like it. There's a lot of games online that I play. There's a shooting range one, and this works really well for that. And there's another one, can't remember the name of it, but I'll post the image later on the bottom or something for you. Even the Thingiverse one, because the only thing that I found for those who do have 3D printers that you do have to buy is probably magnets. And I bought a little pack of what, 12, maybe it's a 10 pieces, 10 pack of magnets. And then these are good to glue inside of here, work out, and you're ready for gaming. I want to print another one, but kind of fix this and maybe modify it just a little bit longer, just so that it feels a little bit more of a longer gun in the gaming. But I just wanted to share this because for those who have 3D printers or those who are interested in 3D printing and why, well, you can pretty much print anything that's out there or make your own thing and go from there, and that's pretty cool. I couldn't find this you could never find this at the store, or you could probably look online and find something close, but for a 3D print overnight, you can't complain. So I just wanted to share this for anybody into 3D printing, and yeah, I just want to put out a little short video. So hopefully I can get something else soon, but thanks for watching.